Hey guys, today's video is going to be step by step on how I do this winged eyeliner. So many people have requested me to do the look, so that's what I'm going to do today for you guys. Sorry I didn't film an intro, it actually got deleted, but I'm just going to start off with putting tape on my eyes and then we'll start with the rest of the video. For the wing part of it, I pretty much just follow this back part right here. So this back piece of this tape, I pretty much just trace it on the line. But you can actually feel like where the corner of your eye is, and you just draw a line up there. That's pretty much all like the wing is for me. And I'll go over it just a few times. And I probably stop about where my crease is right here. So that's pretty much it, and of course you'll have some like fallout on the tape. And for everything else, I pretty much just line my eyes. There's no really like other way I do it. I just get really close to the lash line. Sorry, I'm like looking at my camera to make sure you guys can see me. So that's pretty much it for like the line. And then as you can see, you just have one line here, and then there's like this little, I don't even know what you would call it, but I guess we'll see. There's like a triangle part like right here. I call it my little triangle that goes from the line to the lash line. And I'm actually just going to scooch over to the NYC Liquid liner. And all I do for this part is this line will connect to the lash line. So that's pretty much all I do, is just connect it to the lash line. And that's pretty much all it is for, liquid liner. There's nothing like real fancy about how I do it. It just, of course practice makes perfect, so take your time with it, and you learn and practice, and you'll get it down just like everything else. So I just went in and kind of intensified it just a little bit more. And I'll show you what it looks like up close. So you can see like the tape has some on it. And I'm just going to take the tape off.